already does it here. Very happy to see all of you on the other side of the screen. Today I make a video based on feedback from the field. A lot of people ask me to review AM5 offset kit that is made for Alphacool Core 1 LT or regular Core 1 blocks, which allows you to shift the part where the liquid coming into the block and impingement plate. Right now it's optimized for the exactly middle of the block, so the liquid coming somewhere there, while the specifics of AMD chips, that actual the most hot die is a little bit shifted down, so this kit allows you to move block a little bit, and this way you optimize cooling by blowing liquid exactly on the hottest part of the CPU blocks. And people were asking, is it true that it helps? And I would like to confirm that everything you see on the internet, there's a number of different websites who already tested it and get between 1 and 2 degrees difference. I would like to confirm that everything totally true, it's correct. In my own test I also gain almost 2 degrees difference, and there's a table so you can see there's a difference between Core 1 and Core 1 LT without kit, and with kit we get almost 2 degrees. We even beat newest block from Thermo Grizzly, which is Micro Pro block that was just released about a month ago. So it's worthwhile upgrade in case you already have a block or going to buy this block and you're performance oriented person. If you don't care about those 2 degrees, naturally this product not for you. There's a couple things that I would like to say about this kit as well. So what you get, basically just plastic bag with a manual, which is good. It's nice that you have a manual that you don't need to print or anything like this. So I have a bunch of pictures, even in colors. But the little things that you need to know about this kit that was a little bit surprise for me and can be a potential difficulty. So what you get is not much. You get those 2 brackets that actually facilitate the shift of the block a little bit down. You have a set of 4 screws that used to attach block to those brackets, but you need another 4 screws to attach bracket to the motherboard, and those screws is not provided. Why? Is because those screws the same as they were used for the original brackets that come together with motherboard, and you need to find your box, you find your parts, and you need to dig those screws out. So in case of you water cooled your system and just threw all the stuff away, you may be in a problem trying to find replacement screws for that. So I think it's a little bit of inconvenience that potentially can cause the trouble. For me, I was a little bit surprised that I don't have a full set of parts for installation, and I had to dig and try to find the box from the motherboard. And luckily I didn't throw anything away, but it was about 20 minutes I was like digging where the hell this thing is, and so it was a little bit unexpected stress that I didn't expect to get from this particular test. But other than that, it's a very simple thing, about 25 bucks US, you can get 2 degrees if it's important for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video interesting and confirm what you need to know about this kit. I will see you in the next video.